Good afternoon. Welcome to the restaurant. How many people are there?
Thank you. We are two.
You are two? Like 2 years old?
There are two of us.
Perfect. Party for two?
No. Party, no. Eat.
It's table for two.
Yeah. Table for two.
Please follow me. Can I get you anything to start?
Shh.
Give me a sec, please. Sophie, you have a booger.
I have what?
A booger.
A booger?
Your nose.
Ew. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have paper?
One moment. Here you go.
No. Diane napkin.
One moment. Here you go.
No, for the mouth. For the nose.
You mean a tissues?
Yes, a tissues.
You'll find tissues in the restroom.
Sophie. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Remember not to miss your English class.